Hello, I'm editing this picture. So as you can see, this is a beautiful picture because the image itself was shot in my room, which wasn't very wide, and then I had a little background which was about 3 foot by 5 foot. So it's not very wide and not very tall. So the model and the baby had to sit. So now we're going to clean this up. So basically the main problem we have in here is to remove the sides. So just a moment there. Yeah, so first let me make a copy of it and then clean up that. So I'm going to select the polygonal lasso tool. So I'm just going to make a selection. So I'm not making a perfect selection, but I'm making a selection which is pretty good, and I can just come back and sort out the rest of it. And now, so what I've done there is I'll just disable that. So now I'm going there to fill. So we can do that. We can either do content aware fill. Let's see if that will help. If not, that's beautiful. So it's done most of the job for me. Edit, sorry, select, deselect. So yeah, so now I can, my background is much bigger than what I had, and it looks a lot more better. So next thing I need to do is clean up this mess here. So this is not what I wanted. So now let's use the edit content aware fill. I usually get stuck with this, I don't know why. So it thinks that I need to select the whole image, I don't know why. So what I do is I take off the part of the image which I don't need. By the way, I'm using floor bracket to increase and reduce the size of this brush. So what I did now was to select minus and remove all the greens. The green is the area which is used for making the selections. So now I don't know. Oh, that's all the excluded area. Now I want to select the sampling area. So this is the sampling area, and the area inside the marquee is the area where you need to apply the colors from. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking off the areas which shouldn't be used for color selection. So that one. So now the green area will be used for color selection, which means all the maroon will be used for color selection. So it's a bit dark compared to the other part of, so let's take out some of the darker parts of the image. Let's see if it matches the color. It looks a lot better. I'm just increasing the sampling area to get some dynamic colors in here, because as you can see now it's gone into, you know, very very dull color. It's almost looking like there's no pattern there. So now it's a lot better. Let me click on OK there. So now as you can see, the image is cleaned up mostly. There are few areas of the image which we need to clean up. Let's go there. So I'm creating a mask. I'm just taking a brush color which is opposite the color of the mask, so it's white. So in order to reveal the mask, I need to use black. So I'm taking black, and next I'm gonna pick a brush. Just gonna reduce the opacity. Don't want to mix up too much, but I don't want to make look like it's a patchwork. So yeah, you know what I'm doing. So now we have a very cleaned up image compared to where we started off from. So that's our original image, and that's the image we have now. Thank you for watching this, and wish you all the best with your editing.